Welcome back for our monthly tech trends update from the Itaú Private Bank International Strategy team. We continue to get exciting news each month from the technology sector, where news related to artificial intelligence and the healthcare sector continue to be highlights as equity markets in the US keep hitting all-time highs as we enter the critical earnings season for many companies. Let's get started with Samsung, which announced lots of new products at their annual Unpacked 2024 conference. This included the highly anticipated Galaxy Ring, which will be a wearable that is focused on sleep and health, which uses an AI algorithm to help people better understand their sleeping patterns. They also announced a set of new watches, which included the high-end Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Lastly, they showcased the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which is optimized for AI with the Google Gemini app integrated into the phone. Next, we had Amazon's AWS New York City Summit, where the company primarily focused on their generative AI capabilities. The company discussed how generative AI is already a multi-billion-dollar business for Amazon, with the potential for it to represent tens of billions of dollars of revenue in the next few years. The company sees strong demand from enterprise customers as well as venture capital-backed startups, and highlighted new products across each layer of the technology stack, which is strengthening their position in the industry. We also got earnings reports from smaller technology companies like Micron, which had better results, but guidance that didn't meet the high expectations heading into earnings. Oracle shares traded well after earnings as the company signed over 30 AI contracts in the quarter that represented over $12 billion in value with leading technology companies like NVIDIA and Google. Lastly, we continue to get signs that software demand outside of AI seems to be more muted, as European software company Dassault Systems pre-announced negatively that they will not meet their financial targets due to weaker demand. This follows weaker results in the previous month from companies that included Salesforce, Workday, and ServiceNow. Moving on to the healthcare sector, we got news that Eli Lilly's Alzheimer's drug, Kisunla, which is intended to treat early stages of the disease, was approved by the FDA. We also got some cautious news regarding the popular weight loss drugs that are manufactured by Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly. The Journal of the American Medical Association published a study that showed the potential link between the GLP-1 weight loss drugs and the risk of an eye condition. This is only a preliminary study and more research needs to be done. Looking ahead, we have lots of news flow over the next month, as many of the largest companies in the US will be reporting second quarter earnings results. Investors will be focused on the results and the guidance provided for the rest of the year. People will be interested to hear from the leading AI companies like Microsoft, Meta, Alphabet, and many more to see what they are seeing regarding demand, as well as what each company intends to spend to continue to roll out their AI capabilities. The update regarding spending will help investors forecast the revenue growth for companies like NVIDIA, which doesn't report earnings until the end of August. Lastly, in a rare appearance together, the CEO and founders of NVIDIA and Meta, Jensen Huang and Mark Zuckerberg, will be presenting together at the SIGGRAPH 2024 conference in Denver. Thanks again for joining us to learn about some recent trends in the technology sector, and feel free to reach out to our team for anything that we can do to help out. We look forward to speaking to everyone again next month.